Arisha. In 3 minutes. Check this site. Download state board verification slip and follow the steps. You need filled up slip, photocopy of your license, photocopy of TOR, face mask, face shield, pen, Cgfns request. Sign the first page. 1,950 pesos plus transpo. This is the new entrance. Health declaration. Follow my lead and go to window A. Go straight and right at this door. Enter this and boom, window A. Hand them the requirements. Go out and straight to the cashier and pay 200 pesos. Beside the cashier, buy a stamp for 50 pesos. Go back to window A again, and you'll be instructed to choose a courier. DHL or FedEx. FedEx is much cheaper. I-notify na lang daw tayo ng FedEx kung napadala na nila. Then back to window A again. Plug your name and the courier of choice. Just like this, Arisha Santos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. And it's done. Congrats. Wait for the text of your courier and check the status on your Cgfns account. Okay. So, sana natuto kayo. Ganun lang yung steps. Okay, so natapos ko yung process or yung steps in less than 30 minutes, parang ganon. And sana natuto kayo, natutunan nyo yung steps. And kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Huwag kalimutan. I-notify na lang daw tayo ng FedEx kung napadala na nila. Pero magbibigay sila ng date. So yun sa akin, April 19 na. Medyo matagal. Tapos te-text na lang nila on or before daw April 19. So yun na yung maximum time. Ayan, pwede yung motor. And pwede rin yung mga 4x4 dito. Kaso limited lang yung parking space. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam kung maniningil sa akin dito mamaya.
Turn left.
Arisha.